Alice Blue brings to you industry's first two-sided referral program. You and your referred friend are going to love it. So what is it? With every successful referral, you get a 10% cashback on your brokerage for a full 30 days. You also get a 10% lifelong commission on the brokerage from your referred friend. Upon a successful second referral, we top up your 10% commission on brokerage to another 30 days. So you enjoy the 10% cashback for a full period of 60 days. Guess what? With every successful referral, we top up your 10% cashback on brokerage by 30 days. And don't forget, you are eligible for a 10% lifelong commission from the brokerage of your every referred friend. Isn't that great? So, what is the two-sided part in this? Here it is. Your referred friend is also eligible for a 10% cashback on his brokerage for 30 days. This two-sided referral program is raining money. So start referring today and build a stream of lifelong income.